Hey guys, here's Franz from Pulp-Tec, and over the next couple of videos we are going to introduce you into the great and wide world of molded pulp. We are going to show you details of the different manufacturing processes and also product types and qualities. We are going to show you why molded pulp is so eco-friendly and forms part of the circular economy. Lastly, we will show you what customers did with molded pulp to create a great end consumer experience. I look forward to seeing you in the next couple of shots. See you.